Hello, my name is Ben Lovegrove, and in this video I'm going to give you 5 tips for promoting your airborne business in 2018. I have a fixed-wing PPL and experience of unmanned aviation too, having owned an aerial photography company. Aviation, manned or unmanned, is a fascinating industry, and I'd like to help you to thrive within it. This video was created in early January, when people are returning to work and thinking about the year ahead. What are your plans and ambitions for this year? What are you going to do differently in the next 12 months to make your business succeed and to help fulfill all your cherished visions of success? One thing is for sure, if you keep doing the same things as last year, you're going to get the same results. So if those results fall short of what you had in mind, then it's time to change your approach. So my first tip is one that is more important than all the others put together. This is the one that all those business gurus keep banging on about, and for good reason. The first tip is this: spend at least 90 minutes a day on marketing. Why? Because no matter how busy you think you are, no matter how many invoices you sent out or money you banked, if you don't have more customers in the pipeline, then your business will run out of fuel. Customers are the fuel in your tanks and the power in your batteries. Even if you've got plenty of work lined up, don't be complacent. A customer's plans and budget can change very quickly, and what seemed like a definite order last week can be cancelled the next. And we all know what effect the weather can have on any type of aviation business. If you need help with marketing, then check out my site, www.redspan.com. I can make narrated infomercial or advertorial videos in the format you're watching now, and I can provide you with short promotional video clips to draw attention in social media and on websites. Watch this clip coming up and imagine what your video would look like. Visit redspan.com for more examples and to read testimonials from my clients. Speaking of social media, here's my next tip. Stop wasting time on it. Yes, I know social media is useful in business, but how much time do you spend aimlessly scrolling through Facebook, Instagram and Twitter feeds each week? How many YouTube videos do you watch which give you no useful information and are just a way of killing time? Are you kidding yourself that you're researching? We've all done it, but time is your most precious commodity. Rich or poor, young or old, none of us can create more time. All we can do is spend what time we have more wisely. Focus and concentrate. Put a reminder up next to your screen that motivates you to get on with the priorities. The same goes for the news. I used to be in the habit of scrolling through 2 news sites each morning, telling myself that it's important to know what's going on in the world. Is it? Really? Before I knew it, I'd spent 30 minutes achieving nothing except a sense of bewilderment and sometimes despair at the state of the world and the people in it. Go on a news diet and spend the time doing something useful, like exercising, meditating, or working on your business. If you do want to make the world a better place, then it starts with you, yourself, and your life. My third tip is this: stick to what you're good at and outsource anything else. It can be tempting to try to learn how to do everything, even if you've got staff and can do it all in-house. But sometimes it's wiser to outsource the task and spend the time doing something more productive. Take content writing, for example. Perhaps you've noticed your website needs fresh articles. You can write some yourself, costs nothing but takes up your time, or you can hire someone to write them for you. Costs money but saves time. If you're a confident and quick writer, then you can get to work, but if you struggle and end up staring out of the window, then perhaps you should just hire a content writer. My fourth tip is: create a 12-month marketing plan. The year stretches out before you and dates for certain seasonal events are already set. Think about how people respond to the changing seasons and what effect it has on their spending habits. Plan your marketing so that you take full advantage of seasons, weather, public and school holidays, and annual events. As each season or date in the calendar approaches, make sure you have your promotional material ready well in advance so that there are no last-minute panics. Get your Easter advertising booked in February or March. Things can slow down in August as people take summer holidays, so contact decision makers earlier. Have your Halloween images ready in September, and so on. My fifth and final tip for this video is: find the balance. Success is great, but happiness is even better. By all means, strive for success, but don't forget to spend some of your time taking care of yourself with nourishment, exercise, rest, relaxation, and recreation. Spend time with your friends and family. If you think about it, all these tips can be distilled down to one thing: being really efficient at managing your time and the focus of your attention throughout. Thanks for watching. If you would like to contact me with questions or comments, then you can call 044 1329 286 169 or email ben@redspan.com. I hope you found something of interest in this video. Please give it a like and leave a comment below.